Ever wished you had an AI that could chat naturally and dig deep into the internet for answers? Well, meet Monica AI, your personal deep chat and research assistant. Monica AI is like having a smart friend and a research assistant rolled into one. You can ask it anything from quick facts to in depth explanation. And it won't just guess, it search, analyze, and then talks back to you in a natural way. You just open Monica, type or speak your question, and it instantly pulls information from reliable resources. But here's the cool part, you can keep asking follow up questions, and Monica remembers the conversation, so you don't have to repeat yourself. It's not only for facts, you can brainstorm ideas, write emails, drafts, photos, translate text, and even get summaries of articles or documents. And yes, it shows you the source, you can know exactly where the answers came from. This is perfect for student, content creators, professionals, basically anyone who wants quick, reliable answers without endless scrolling on Google. So if you want AI that chats naturally and searches like a pro, try Monica AI. It's available on web and mobile, and there's even on Chrome extension. Go check it out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more apps tips like this.